Here's the stencil. This is my 1951 Willys Jeep. I use this on the back of the stencil and sprayed it on. It's supposed to stick just temporarily. See how it looks. Looks pretty damn good to me. Put that there. Yeah. Whoa. It's a little more stuck. That looks pretty sweet. I like it. You can see here it has like a little residue, but that's nothing. It's literally gonna just clean right off. Point is, it's pretty sharp. That's how you do it. You got the kit, stencil kit. I did this 3M multi-purpose. I actually used a gloss white, but it doesn't really look too glossy. Looks good. There's a star back there, and I'm gonna have to do the hood and everything else.